everyone! Assessment in student affairs is necessary. It is used to ensure programs are constantly improving and meeting the needs of students. Additionally, according to Warazinski, Brock, and Sweeney, assessment is done for two main purposes: accountability and the need to improve the co-curricular experiences for students who use the programs and services. As student affairs professionals, it's important that we engage in assessment. However, it seems that many departments and institutions do not require any type of assessment. This is important because, as Shu stated, the assessment can be used to provide a basis for continuous improvement. It is important that we constantly strive to be better so we can better serve the students we work with. At the institution I work for, we are required to perform an assessment on ourselves yearly. Our direct supervisor also performs an assessment. We then discuss what we should work on and also how we have grown within the last year. Doing this helps us set personal goals to achieve within the next year and also helps us focus on things we need to work on. Although this isn't the type of assessment referred to in our readings, it is one that doesn't take much time and is easy to do. This not only helps us be better professionals, but helps our students in many aspects. Within my practicum, I am assessing what I do constantly to ensure it will help our students. I also report back to my supervisor and allow her to assess the work I've done. I found this very helpful because with her guidance, I know the registration workshop I'm hosting will be successful. Have a great week, y'all.